Today we're showing you a 2014 John Deere 5075E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Quicke Q21 quick attach front loader. Tractor has just over 1,000 hours on it. Has just been serviced. It's just been through our shop. It's ready to go. Tractor is in really nice shape yet. The bucket does not show hardly any wear. It's got the skid steer style bucket connection. Front grill guard. Paint's in nice shape. It's got a couple scuffs on the side of the hood here. Pretty minor, but there's a couple scuffs there. Got the deluxe multi-coupler for your loader hose connection. Simply flip this lever and that whole block will come apart as one. Tires are in good shape. Got the rear hydraulic outlet, 540 and 540E PTO. Stabilizer change and the 3-point top link goes with it. Rear work light. It's got the toolbox and the fender. Engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. It does have the left-hand power reverser, which allows you to change direction without clutching. Nice suspension seat. Got your four-wheel drive engagement. Also your 540 PTO selector here to the left of the seat. 3 range lever here to the left of the seat as well. You get your main transmission stick to the right. Got 4 synchronized gears on that lever. Gives you a total of 12 speeds with your ranges. Loader control right here within easy reach. 3-point and hydraulic controls to the right. Also have your PTO engagement switch back behind you here to the right of the seat. Down below you've got the differential lock pedal, individual brakes, foot throttle, clutch pedal here to the left. Again, the tractor's been through our shop, it's been serviced, it's ready to go. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.